Welcome to Sea Smoke. Katie here, and it's dinner time tonight. And you know what? It's that time of season. It's Mardi Gras season in the home of Mardi Gras. So we are going to make Mardi Gras sausage dogs tonight. And I have some smoked sausage that I picked up from the store. And I have them cut in half. And I'm going to cook mine in the oven, but you can do yours any way you want. You can do them on the grill, you know, in the air fryer. You can do it in the oven. You can do them on flat top. Whatever way you like to cook your sausage or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some up and split it in half. And I already have my oven on to 350 to preheat. So I'm going to get all my sausage cut up and cooked to go on our Mardi Gras sausage dogs. Make it fun and festive today. All right, and add this last one. All right, and let me wash my hands. Don't forget, always wash your hands. Okay, we're going to cook this sausage, and then we're going to add them to some French rolls. And then we're going to put some pepperoni peppers on them and some red onions and everything. And we're going to make them actually look like Mardi Gras colors to go on our sausage dogs. So these shouldn't take too long to cook, maybe 25 minutes or so to cook these. We just want them to cook through. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil for right now, just to help them steam on the inside and cook. And then in a little bit I'll unwrap them and we can brown them up some. So I'm going to put those in the oven. And we're going to check back on those in a few minutes. Alright guys, we're checking on our sausage. It looks like it's pretty much done. We're going to brown them up just a little bit, and we're going to cook some chorizo that's also going on our Mardi Gras sausage dogs, and then we're going to assemble. Okay guys, we got our chorizo on our pan, and we're starting to cook this, and we're just going to cook it until it gets nice and crumbly and all the way done. I have some French rolls I buttered here, and we're going to put them in the oven and lightly toast those. So these are going in there just a few minutes. Alright, have some of our onions all cut and everything. Now I'm going to get our pepperoncinis out so I can cut them up to put on our sandwich. Alright guys, I believe our chorizo is all the way done. And our bread is nice and lightly toasted. I think we are ready to assemble. And I have all our peppers and onions and everything over here ready to go too. So we're going to take one of our toasted buns here. And we're going to add remoulade sauce to it. There we go. I'll add some cheese. Add whatever cheese you like. Whatever you feel like putting on your sandwich. This, I'm gonna add a couple pieces of our sausage here. Let me actually find some pieces that are separated here. Put it on our sandwich. Then we're going to add a little bit of the chorizo onto the sandwich. Not too much. Set this down. And you just want onions on yours? kind of figured he just wanted onions on his, and not peppers. All right. And there's his. Like that. Okay guys, here is our finished Mardi Gras sausage dog. And as you see, I have mine loaded like it's supposed to be. I have green onion on there for the green. We have red onion for the purple. And we have the pepperoncinis on there. That's for the gold, for the green, gold, and purple for Mardi Gras. And we have everything on there and ready to go, and the chorizo. So I'm going to give this a try. It's the first time we've made some, so I hope they're good. They look good.
That's all.
Good.
Mouthful though.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to figure out how to bite it and not Okay. I'm totally sorry. That was very unladylike. But this is very good. The bread is nice and toasted and not too hard, and the sausage goes well with each other. And don't forget, you can even make this at the parade if you wanted to. You could do all this on the grill. Just be sure to, pack your cheese in a cool place and your meats and everything until you grill them. And then go ahead and cut your peppers and things like that. And you can even toast your bones on the grill too while you're waiting on the parades to come off. And then, share with your neighbors and everything. Nothing like Southern hospitality going around. But we hope you enjoyed the video. And hopefully this is a nice, fun one you can use while you're downtown. And we'll see you next time. Enjoy cooking.